friends, welcome back to our channel Concept with Clarity 1. In this lecture we will discuss about implementation of multiplexer using transmission gates. Okay, so first of all let us take a 2x1 multiplexer, 2x1 MUX. Okay, I have a selector line S, A and B are my inputs and Y is my output. Okay, what is the logic? If S is equals to 0, then Y will be equal to A. If S is equals to 1, then Y will be equal to B. This is the logic, right? So we can see here how to implement this one. So what we will do is we will take our basic transmission gate. Okay, so our basic transmission gate is like this. We will be connecting the output here, right? And I have an NMOS here and an PMOS here, correct? So if this is, what is this? This should be equal to S, okay? And this is S bar and this will be S bar, okay? So if S is equals to 0, then A will be my output, and if S is equals to 1, B will be my output, right? So very simple construction. So this is a simple construction of 2x1 MUX using transmission gate. Okay, a simple transmission gate is enough to implement a 2x1 multiplexer. Okay, simply you give your A and B inputs here, right, and you take the S selector line here such that it will implement this design implements an 2x1 multiplexer. Similarly, we can implement a 4x1 multiplexer as well. 4x1 multiplexer by using transmission gates. How to implement? So how to implement is, for a 4x1 multiplexer I have 4 inputs like this, 4x1 MUX, 2 selector lines and 1 output. So A, B, C, D will be my inputs, 2 selector lines S0 and S1 are my selector lines, and Y is my output. I can also write Y is equals to S bar, S1 bar, S0 bar into A plus S1 bar into S0 into B plus S1 into S0 bar into C plus S1 into S0 into D, right? So what we can do is simply, what I will do, like we have done in the past transistors, what I will do is I will take S1 bar common in the first two terms such that this will be equal to S0 bar into A plus S0 into B plus S1 into S0 bar into C plus S0 into D, correct? So we'll make use of this equation and we'll try to draw the diagram. Okay, you can see here, first of all, so what we have done is, like in 2x1 multiplexer, so we have arranged the equation in the form of S1 bar and S1, right? S1 bar and S1, that means if S1 is equals to 0, then this will be my output. If S1 is equals to 1, then this will be my S1 equal to 0, S1 equal to 1. This will be my output, right? So what we can do is simply, I will take a transmission gate here, a transmission gate, PMOS, NMOS, again PMOS. I will connect here Y. This is my NMOS, this is my S1 and this is my S1 bar, this is my S1 bar. Okay, now what is this one? What is this one is, you see here, so when S1 is equals to 0, then here I need to get this as the S0 bar into A plus S0 into B. Okay, here I need to get S0 bar into C plus S0 into D, right? So what we will do is we will again split this equation. S0 bar into A plus S0 into B, as how you will take this as S0 bar into A plus S0 into B, right? Again I am getting an equation in terms of S0 bar and S0. So I will take another transmission gate here. I will take another transmission gate. Let me use another color. I will go with blue. So another transmission gate. Okay. So hopefully this I will connect, and this I will give to the one of the inputs of the pass transistor. And what is given here, this is S0 and this is S0 bar and this is S0 bar, right? So what are my inputs here? This is A and this is B. Okay. Similarly, for this particular transmission gate also, we need to have another circuit where my inputs will be C and D, right? So this equation, correct? So the overall diagram, let me draw once again. The overall diagram here, I need to make use of 3 transmission gates. Okay, 3 transmission gates. Okay. This was the first one. This is for S1, S1 bar, S1 bar, right? And for the second one, I have another transmission gate. So this is my output, which is connected to this particular. What was given here? Here S0 was given, right? So this will be S0 bar, and this also will be S0 bar, and this will be A and this will be B, correct? And the third transmission gate is like this. Third transmission gates, the output is connected with this input, and the selector line is S0 again. So this is S0 bar, or else you can connect this one, right? So this is S0 bar, okay, and here it will be C and D, okay. So this is the implementation of 4x1 MUX using transmission gates. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept, how to implement a multiplexer using transmission gates. If you understood the concept, please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.